Ubaba uMkhongi naye useshonile unfortunately, usanda kushona. Mengimfonela ngikhuluma naye nomama wakwakhe. Athi, hayi khona ama message abame ngawo abathi mina ngangixoxa nale yantombazane le yayijola nobhuti wakhe. Hawu. Ubaba uhlulekile ukungithanda, uhlulekile ukungiprotecta. So this is the last time sila.
Ngiyabingelela abathandakayo ngegama lika Jesu. Igama lami nguNompumelelo ngwakaDlamini. Namhlanje ke ngihlele esihlalweni sika Baba Dlamini ngithe angimbambele since esethe ukubambeka naye emsebenzini. Ngase ngithi umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu mawuqhubeke. So ngiyanibingelela nonke, khulilekani nje nihlale nami. Ngiyathemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzongisiza ngiqhube lengxoxo namhlanje. Before siqhubeke ne-introduce guest yami namhlanje ngiyacela nje sivala amehlo sike sikhuleke egameni lika Jesu. Baba wethu ongcwele, nguNkulunkulu ongcwele akekho njengawe. Ekseni uNkulunkulu wethu onamandla wonke, siza kuwe uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele kukho konke simebukhona bakhona kule ndawo. Senzele umusa uNkulunkulu wethu onamandla wonke egameni lika Kristu Jesu inkosi onamandla waseNazareth. Siyathandaza ke uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele ekseni ukuba uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele yo-angels agcwale kule ndawo egameni lika Kristu Jesu waseNazareth. Uphe nokuhlakanipha uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele ukudlula ukuqonda konke, in Jesus almighty name, amen. Siyakwamukela namhlanje kweThabani ST Media. Umuntu oqala ukubona namhlanje uzothi ubona bani? Yes.
Sawubona Dlamini. Igama lami nguNkosazane wakamlambo.
Okay.
Qwabe. Ngokuzalwa ngizalelwe eMnambithi, Lady Smith. Ngokukhula nokuhlala sengise Grahamstown.
Okay.
Ekhine.
Ekhine.
Yes, ekhine.
Okay, so Eastern Cape.
Yes.
Uzivakashele ka namhlanje. Maybe nje let me just say ngicela usiqalise liqaleni mhlasimpe ukuthi khule kanjani, ukhuliswa ubani kuze kufike la ukhona namhlanje before singene engxoxweni yethu.
Okay. Ngizalelwe eMnambithi.
Yes.
But ngizalwa umama nobaba mabengakashadi ngaleso sikhathi. So ngahlala nogogo eSkhothi.
Okay.
Ngihlale naye until ngaze ngafike ekutheni ngiyoqala isikole.
Okay.
Gogo mamchunu. Then ngayohlala ke noma nobaba. Sengiyoqala, I think bengiyoqala grade R ngaleso sikhathi. So ngahlala nabo. Family, I'll say a normal family, healthy family. My dad is a traffic officer, uma uthisha, nje bebekhula, they make ends meet,
Yes,
basically.
yes.
So not a wealthy family, just a family nje. Ngafunda ke Nadia, Edgerton Primary School, went to Ladysmith High School. Then I went to DUT. I was doing radiography assistancy. Also did human resources at some point. Ngasuka lapho, I went back to Ladysmith and ngawuthola umsebenzi. And okay, that's when I guess life started. I met my husband, who's now late. I was 22 when I met him.
Okay. Young, hey?
Yeah. So when I met him, he was one annoying person. Indlela esahlangana ngayo. So one annoying person whereby mengabe ngisho ngifonela now asikajoli ngisho ukujola, but this person mengifonela like, hey, nkosikazi unjani? Ngizokwehla.
That's cute kodwa.
Ngivele ngicasa ukuthi hayibo lo bhizuthi unkosikazi nani. As time went, we started having a relationship of whereby I think he took full care of being a friend, advisor, yonke into, because ngaleso sikhathi leso he has my CVs up until today. I-CV yami yokugcina akhanda uyena. Angikwazi ukukhanda i-CV nje. I think kufanele ngiqale phansi because applications yonke into nje bengiyenzela uyena, like in terms of my academic life, what's okay, asuthola umsebenzi lana and kade ufuna with this qualification that you have. No, let's do a conversion, try and see ukuthi i-roads ange-credit yini because sise Grahamstown, like ngicela ukuthi si-convert your degree, ngifuna ukuthi ibe towards what I'm doing. So he was a biologist and then gcine sengenze entomology because I'm trying to bridge through. Mengibuyela nje back to our relationship nokuqala kokuthi we are becoming a family mina naye. Ngifika empilweni yakhe at first hlale flatini, and then just within the first few months of it, first time engileta Grahamstown, I was there to house hunt basically. So wangisusa from KZN we must house hunt. Nakhona ngikuthatha njenge joke because house hunted 22. So house hunted, move in ngingekho ngaleso sikhathi, move in endlini ngifike eloke phone athi hayibo wenkosikazi umuzi wakho uyankenqeza la unalutho phakathi cabangeni. So ngilo ngithi lo bhuti lona, but okay, but ngiqala I think nami ngimthatha serious entweni because now communication is like all the time. Literally angazi, but into ebiyenzeka bengithi mengikhuluma, like maybe ngikhuluma ngaye noma ngicabange ngaye ngaleso sikhathi, he would literally call, so I could suddenly feel ukuthi there was something to it. So okay, mengifika endlini, okay, eflatini la behlala khona behlala no bhuti wakhe, ubhuti wakhe omncane. Now ubhuti wakhe omncane kanjani uzalwa ustep mom wakhe.
Okay.
Ubaba wakhe ushadile noma wakhe ushadile, but abashadile bobabili.
Yeah.
So ke la kakhulele khona ukhule kuyingane ezu I guess 4 za stepmom mase kuba uyena was 5, but oqala from both abazali bakhe. So inkosana anyway, that's when it came about, even with our wedding wayehlezi ethi inkosana izoshada nenkosazana because I'm also the first daughter. Okay, ngimfica ehlala nobhuti wakhe. Ubhuti wakhe has got a girlfriend eyase Potchefstroom. So i-girlfriend yakhe yafika izovakasha, mind you, it's like sobabili siyatravela nayo intombazana because it's like 12 hours for yona, kimina it's more like 14 hours. So ke uyatravela yekhona ke naye yombona and afika azohlala kuyo la endlini. I would say endlini yethu because that's the original idea. So what happens mengimfica lo sisi njalo ekhona, like siyaxoxa, obviously ngiyohlangana nomuntu ema-passage nase-kitchen ningakhuluma. Mesikhuluma naye nje at first angitshela about their relationship ukuthi she's dated the guy, let's say, for 5-6 years. So mina kungithusa ukuthi ngeke, how could you stay with someone for so long? But nje nokuthi ngisemncane ngaleso sikhathi, so siyakhuluma nje like yabo mengithi ukhuluma ngayo yonke into nomuntu wesifazane. And the reason why I'm mentioning ukukhuluma kwethu is because kunako nawo umsusa nomthelela towards the end.
Okay.
So usisi lo mesikhuluma naye, it happens a moment of whereby ngisekhaya uyangifonela ke manje, mesikhuluma naye angitshela ukuthi she's going to hospital, what she's admitted or into enjalo, and siba nama conversation, and then randomly nje angithi I trust her. She's like more of a safe space because and ngithi mina yazi ukuthi there's this guy who's asking me out on Facebook and nje uyangicika like to the core yabo. But ngilo ngimsendela ama screenshots ukuthi ngicela ubheke ucommentile nante status ebengizifakile nani. So kanti angazi ukuthi I'm speaking to a snake itself. Asuka hambe aye to the little brother. Ayothi go step brother. Mina I'm dating someone. So I'm not just dating his brother, I'm dating someone else. Okay, it doesn't get to me at that point. Bengumuntu o I think ngangakaze ngiyinake lento, but ngiyibone ngoba when things started getting serious between me and my husband is like ngicela cela senze ingane, like ufuna ingane.
Ngakashadi.
Asikashadi. And ngibaleke ngaloko phela ukuthi hayi ashadile nanani, athi okay fine ngiyolobola. Mase athi uyolobola ngiphinde ngisaba ukuthi ubaba uzothini bengabe so quickly yabo phinde ngize ngigive in to saying okay rather ngimtholele ingane. Hayi sizama ingane. Mhlawumbe iminyaka u2 nje sizama nje. Kuze kuthi kulo wesibili kube ikhathi I fall pregnant. Nakhona ke my safe space angithi usisi lo ngiyamtshela ukuthi hayi I'm pregnant. I'm 1 month pregnant nanani. And first question akayibuzayo athi ekabani ingane?
Hayibo.
What do you mean ekabani ingane? Athi no, I'm asking phela when you had someone asking you out nanani. I said they were asking me out. I didn't say ukuthi ngijola naye. Okay, fine. Nonetheless, usisi singakhulumi for some time naye, not ukuthi sixabene or anything,
Yeah,
but
but
nje
njengoba
ngibusy
distance.
nami ngisanda kuthola umsebenzi ngisebenza eDunlop Lady Smith, it's a firm, so nje siyasebenza ama shift ngibusy. Okay, umyeni wami angifonele this one time athi when is your shift ending? Ngithi mina ends on Thursday. Athi ngicela ukuthi ugebele on Thursday. Hayibo. Kanjani manje because ngiyangena ngo Sunday again. So athi kimi okay fine mina uzokwehla, let's meet in Pietermaritzburg. Khona friend yakhe that has a flat corner, so normally we'd meet up halfway. If mele eze kumina then uzoze Pietermaritzburg. Afike Pietermaritzburg sihlangane ke the first night ngimbona ukuthi he's disturbed. Khona lento lemphazamisayo. Okay fine. Ngize ngimcalm it down at some point, like I think it was middle of the night. He likes taking walks ebusuku. So la sikhona siyakhona ukuthatha walk nje around the complex and stuff. Sithe meswalker athi baby konke ngangiphethe kahle. Ngithi mina yini kade ngikubona nje like awukho right. Athi no kade ngikukhuza futhi. And ngithi kade ngikhuza ngani? Ethi no awunginakanga na last time ngikhuluma nawe. I said stay away from a girlfriend ka butwakhe. It's me now, what do you mean stay away? I don't know, akakuthandi lo mntwana. And two, mina ngiyazi family yami. So they might just use her to get to you and ukuthi bakwazi ba destroy anything for me, yabo. Ngiqala lapha ngixake ukuthi haw lo bhuti all of a sudden ifamily yakhe because asikaze sikhulume kangako. Bengazi nje ukuthi uhlala like ukhuliso step mom but biological mom wakhe uhlala ePomoroy of which ke uke like wangisa ngakhona ukuthi like ngiyoba meet bona. So just like oh okay. Nakhona futhi ngabe into serious kumina ngiziphi. In the morning athi kumina ngi-approach ubhuti wami the little brother wathi i-girlfriend yakhe imtshela ukuthi wena umithi and akuyona ingane yami. But manje into engenza ukuthi ngibe at ease is the fact that I know sizame kangaka umthola lo mntwana. Odokotela sibahambile futhi ubahamba nami ngaso sonke isikhathi, so ngiyazi ukuthi ingane yami. But ke ngiphathwa kabi ukuthi ngoba beqalile bekhuluma kanjena, they here to destroy not you because abakwazi, but they here to destroy me.
Sure.
So as he says this word at first ngithi okay, he could be a bit tipsy because he took a glass of wine the previous night. Okay, but manje futhi ngibe nalento ukuthi okay, but nginganaki futhi siqhubeke. Athi I think ngangino ngateta ngina 7 months nakhona ngitetiswa yini nginenkinga ye blood pressure. So kwenzekani usisi wayinengane okay unengane nomyeni wami, or supposedly uthi unengane nomyeni wami, ngingabi angikho sure till this moment, but ke from the books athi kunengane.
Usisi muphona ngana nomyeni wakho?
Kune usisi uhlala la ePretoria.
Okay.
Unengane seceleni. No, seceleni. So you'll find the rootings back ukuthi why do I mention the first part of it with her. So what happens is usisi law Pretoria kushuthi finds out ukuthi my husband has got a girlfriend and that is me. And ngoba ene girlfriend a relationship yabo, when you read ama conversations, because now my husband is someone obekade ethi mekhombisa into ekutshela into efuna ukukuprovela. So he would show me conversations. I said, no, we met up with this woman. Ngihlangane naye enengane, let's say na 2 months or so. And I was shocked when ngabe ethi she's pregnant, because angeke ngihlangane nawe unengane, clearly uyazi ukuprevent or whatsoever. So at this point uthi unengane and ukhuleliswe yimina ufuna ngimfake medical aid nani. Ngibe shocked ukuthi hayibo. Ethi yes ngiyavuma, I was wrong. I had sort of a relationship with her, but I didn't take it serious. So okay, yeah, she took it serious to a point which she felt pregnant. I blame you because you are the one uhambe wayolala naye in a way, like okay. But ke kungabi into issue, because at that time nami nginalento, but okay, usisi may find out wenzani, uthole inamba ezi different, uyangifonela uyangithuka. Now involve lento ke sekungena le story sokuthi ingane kuyona vele ya Musa, say my husband's. Athi akuyona ka Musa ingane, nabakubo nje bayazi ukuthi wena unondindwa. Okay, it's like right. I take it in, ngimtshela umyeni wami ukuthi this is what's happening, and khona nama recording so ngimlalelise ngaleso sikhathi. Athi no, into engangikutshela ngayo eqaleni, yabona, it's my family, they will do anything to destroy me, like yeah. Okay, ngibona ukuthi ake kushuthi sisempini ke manje. Ngitete umyeni wami acele, I'll say the biological sister, which is from uma wakhe, and then no step sister lo ozalwa kababa wakhe. Fine ke bafike bo2 bezobona ingane, manje ngitete kuna 7 months. So ingane isancane nje kaka as abantu bamnyama uthi ayikahlubi even nje, but because I think uNkulunkulu tries akukhulumele ngale, iyafana nobaba wayengane ngaleso sikhathi ihlubi njalo. Afike usisi mefika lo from the stepmom and the biological mom, but maybe fika babona ingane, ay fine ke bajike, maybe jika u stepsis asho kulomunye usisi athi hayi le ngane nje ayifani noMusa, ngiyibona angazi noma sididwa the first child yini ekaMusa siyaziyo, but nje akafani inhlobo naye. Okay, yabona ukuthi confidence yenga ukuthi iqhamuka somewhere, not ukuthi ufuna ukusho lento, but you can read between the lines more umuntu. Okay, usisi ke lo eventually angitshela athi usho kanjena the girl, but singabi nandaba, because my husband has already explained to me ukuthi okay, uzofika lapha mofike ekhaya khona usisi omdala. Okay, usay pre-nkosazane, I will say, because kwakhona usisi omdala washona kwase kwaba uyena omdala. So uzofica yena uyingelosi phambi kwa wonke umuntu, but mina ngiyakutshela inhliziyo yakhe ayilungile imdaka. Okay, nakhona uyadideka ukuthi why umuntu ezokuexplaina ngabantu ongakahlangani nabo, like ngaze like we had a argument of some sort, ngithi mina why don't you let me meet them, and then may say okay, athi ngiyakubonisha because ngiyakubona ukuthi ulula and semhlabeni lapha ulula. Okay, ngitshela ukuthi uzohlangana nenkosazane yakhona engaphikiswa, mase kukhulume yona kuphelile. Okay, athi khona inkosana zalo umama lo indodana yakhe oqala nayo futhi gets away with anything and unenhliziyo embi. Hayibo. Athi then there's the third one, untombazane uyangithanda, athi uthanda my husband kakhulu. Like she's very fond of me nani, as much as phela bezo influencer, but she's very kind. And then khona uThumbu wakhona, athi nje yabona uThumbu ke yena ke is the worst. Like nje ngiyakutshela mina ukuthi I'm only good when I'm giving something, elsewise nje. And then I'm explaining the situation yakhe yobulili ukuthi kanjani, like she's guyish and stuff. Okay, fine, ngabe nandaba ke, life goes on. Useshilo lento sisi sengi-aware of it ukuthi ke ucabanga ukuthi ingane vela kuyona kabhuti wakhe naye. So ifamily kushuthi iyayikhuluma le ndaba phela mengabe sizokhulunywa izizofika la. My husband angapheli moya ngisho sekuthiwe are you sure ukuthi yakhe ingane athi nje siyashada. To a point ukuthi I think it was December 2022. December 2022 athi ubaba ke naye ke my dad is very strict methandile. So uyangibona ukuthi angikho ekhaya ngihambile phela ngaya kababa wengane. Uselobolile at that time.
Okay.
Selobolile walobola ingane I think I had 2 months. Okay. Savakashelana kakhulu. Sengise Grahamstown ke manje ngihlele uDecember wonke anyway. Ngithi nje mengisahlela uDecember ubaba uyafona. Ukuphi? Ingane zami ziphelelela egcekeni ukuphi? Mangabe ungekho bengitshela ukuthi ugogo wakhe awukho khona. Uhlehle my little sister usengicibile ukuthi angikho kagogo. So uyasho ukuthi no ubaba thatha ngibuye. Mind you plan ukuspend uChristmas no New Year ndawonye. Kuthiwa nje mina ngibuye afone nge28 ubaba futhi kuhlela uChristmas asikuboni la ekhaya wena kusho usayino la ekhaya hayi decide ukuvala ifoni yami ngiyibekele kude ngivule nge31st ukuyivula kwami nge31st ebusuku ayibo 5 minutes ngivula ifoni ngena ucingo lababa athi happy new year kodwa nje buya la ukhona yabo okay qonda ukuthi nge2 sibook ibhasi ngehle nawo ngihamba nengane so sengiyabuyela ekhaya nge31 ebusuku ke ubaba esefonile wenza le simomishe sakhe yena amathi yabona ke le ndoda lemzukwane sicela yona sengikushadile ayawuphinde nje ubuyele kini phela lo muntu ngijwayela kambi angeke ngithi ngilobolile ngihleli nomfazi wami nengane yami bese yena futhi akafune wathi nje yabona ke le ugcinile ncinci yena ukubona sikuhleke ngithatha njenge joke athi in fact ngoMarch siyashada nje ngikhathele mina le ndoda like ngithatha as a joke at first futhi ngingasho nasekhaya fike ngoJanuary January khaya ngesihlalele February beginning useshilo wena kubo kushuthi and kubo se ubaba khona usefuna ukufonela ubaba afonela ubaba athi kubaba ile ngane siziyashada ngifuna silungise phela ama arrangements nani as obaba ubaba is clueless ukuthi ngiyashada clueless njalo ubaba sekunethombe ezingene ku social media ke manje ezani ithombe was sometime think lapho nje January lapho umyeni wami wakes up one morning uthatha msobook appointment home affairs okay siyoshada so khona umngane wami ke uThabile on the other side naye abize uSam uModethu bahambe bawuthu sihambe manje siyoshada home affairs sagcina sishade esontweni ke due to Makhanda strike ntontoni hayi shade sengishadile kusho ukuthi ubaba nje uhleli lapha kwakhe uhleli nonkosikazi womuntu akazi ubaba
wena
I think mosemathandweni nje yonke into just yadlona okay fine sesenzile onqiba amasondo those traditional weddings zokuqala so now sesiya towards umshado and sebezwa abantu bonke umshado ususeduze vele because the intention was soshada ngoMarch kanti because even yasitholi sasashada ngoApril okay what happens now siprepare umshado usisi upload isithombe sa baby mama mind you ubhuti wakho uselobolile wena upload isithombe sa baby mama on WhatsApp praising her obviously okay cool ngikhombisa umyeni wami and because now I think I was still childish at that point ngi upload the status nami ngithi oh I thought I could trust you yabo ngifaka dot okay I found athi blood is thicker than water wara fake data senjalo. And then my little sister is very quick to respond to people. Athatha ifoni yami abhale ukuthi which blood, which water, yabo. So now we attack naye ngapha. But sekungabi into etheni, ngijima kubhuti wakhe ayothi mina ngiyameyisa kwama statuses. The only question my husband asks ukuthi usho nini ukuthi wena lo bebhala ngaye wena yini ufeel ukuthi ebesho lento ebeyisho kuwena. Ahlule ukuphendula kuba ukuthi nje yeah kune beef nyana ngazwakali. now arrange izinto zomshado useyahluleka manje because phela ngithi uyinkosazana fanele angabuyeza kumina uzokhuluma nami about ama arrangements ingubo like izinto zokungimbesa nanani ezidingekayo angiphi choice nanani akasa usethumela usisi lo munye ophakathi ukuthi azongibuza ezinye izinto and two akafuna ukuba involved in anything ekumenza ukuthi akhulume nami. Okay, anginankinga ke mina nomuntu ongangikhulumisi because at that time I'm just saying ukuthi as long as mina nendoda yami sithandana ngihappy. Okay, umshado ube khona ke abazali bezwe ukuthi kuyashadwa ke balungise nabo indlela abalungisa ngayo. Sishade I'm pregnant again. Ngishada ngikhulelwe. Ingane manje uyincane iqeda unyaka ngoMarch mina uApril siyashada ngikhulelwe vele futhi hayi ukuthi ngikhulelwe lokho kulight isisu sesiyavela ukuthi nasi. Okay, firstly nje laqala khona i-structure sendaba. Sishado umshado okay ubrother angeze emshadweni white wedding ngishada ubhuti wakhe akakhule naye endlini yonke into angeze emshadweni ukhona kube eThekwini but akeze emshadweni. My husband comments afterwards athi mina yazi ukuthi bengazi ukuthi akangifuni but bengazi ukuthi angifuni to the extent ukuthi angeze ngisemshadweni wami. Ngithi mina hayi mhlawumbe ube busy babona ukuthi akanakeli izinto zasekhaya egcekeni yabo like ngizama ukumsoftnish ukuthi angafeel the way I feel ngakhona because ngiyabona nami but I'm just saying it's okay. Kuba ukuthi manje siyashada day okay same day umshado mesisuka eMnambithi kiwe eThekwini ngithi ngakusasa kuzoba nomabo so mesisuka kube ne car accident on the way. It's me it's me and my son umama umkhongi nobaba umkhongi bebezongilanda ekhaya after white wedding. So meginqeka nemoto there was those elephants la phathe ingane la obeke embedeni odoli. I don't know how to angikwazi ngisho ukulahla to this point okuphisana ngawo because I always think ukuthi it saved my son ngaleso sikhathi. Waxuma wahlala kwi dashboard wabuya wazohlala phekwa udoli lo wamprotect. Saphumela ngasiceleni komgaqo freeway u1 way sibhekele but thina sajumpa ahead sabhekale nemoto eziyale
traffic
yes. So sisinde lapho kusinda kwethu lapho kuqhubeka umabo ngakusasa but nje angikho right emzimbeni ngiyazizwa and I'm pregnant. I think something somewhere happened ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi angizange nginaka ngangijahe nje ukuthi izinto zomshado azidlule sibuyele kwethu. Okay udlula umshado uyadlula nje kubitha uyabona ukuthi no the rest of the family I must say cousins or auntie or gogo they are good people like they open their hearts they are happy for he's getting married because every now and again I just get moments of whereby they say oh siyabonga yabona nani nje. I felt welcomed by the rest of the family just not the immediate family. Elengizosala nayo ke mind you after umshado. Sahlala 4 days. I think my husband was already pissed within that 4 days izinto ezazenzeka khona. So he just says lale like usukotezile enough and sehamba. Okay. He hires a truck because masihambe no keys nani sisuke sihambe. Just to give you a bit of a background about umshado wethu per se abazali bethu because sengibachazela abami bangichaza bakhe. So stepmom I'll say was a teacher ngengazi much about her but as for the father wayesebenza somewhere wayeka wajoinela isonto lalisa Shepstone esontweni lakhona gimina when I recognize it I'll say it's like a cult of some sort. The way my husband used to explain it. Okay umfundisi but now the strange moment ngishadile bekuyisabatha ngishada so let's say on a Sunday morning sekuyaqoqwa kwenziwani but ke kuzongena isonto like hi so I'm thinking kuseza abantu phela mina esontweni cha mina mother-in-law wami father-in-law my husband kushuthi nje wayesecela ngeghost he just went out bahlale no cousin bakhe lapha some of his siblings balele kamereni I think wakhona oyedwa nomshana wakhona oyedwa. Yeah. So hayi ubaba khona uyashumayela userious like umfundisi nje impela uyashumayela la ngixaka ukuthi sibabili mina la enkonzweni and ngiphethe ingane ngikhulelwe khona inkonzo la iyavutha be inkonzo lokuthi uyashumayela but now futhi kushumayeleni kwakhe kungenze ngingafeel comfortable ubaba wami wesele so bona bebazi ukuthi vele ekhaya samawesele ngokwabo kwazi so athi meshumayela kube nokubhinqa okuphakathi nje ukuthi khona basonta emasontweni anjani achaze nje let's say umwesele mokwazi yabo but ke nginganake ngiqonda ukuthi my husband has always told me ukuthi ubaba wakhe is like a comedian ekhanda lakhe manje because he does not take anything serious akayishoyo merely nje izinto ezenzeke ekhula nani because he used to explain to me ukuthi he felt like ubaba wakhe is just isithombe uPopai khona because ebetshelwa one thing ebengamshaya nokumshaya ebengaconfirmanga leyo nto leyo like etshelwa obviously stepmom nje esho ukuthi ebeke like things like they would buy let's say food items ufike kwakho ufice ingane khona nomyeni wakho but uzongena ekamereni and will smell obviously like KFC and stuff it will smell from the room ukuthi they are eating that like he was not allowed to eat bread at some point you only eat bread maybe in the morning nakhona you'll be given slices like nje there was always those things like engixoxela ngayo which it affected I think most of his ukuphila kwakhe yena esenengane because he used to take care of his son so much ukuthi even mina ngimzala uAndile our late son like even ngimzala bengithi mengimthethisa a certain way avela amqukula aphume na mhlawumbe upstairs noma baphume nje la sihleli khona like nginga-understand ukuthi why ngafuni ngithethise ingane yami why ngafuni ngiyishaye because phela mina ngazi ukuthi ingane yami nami so I can do anything so ngi-understand ukuthi his upbringing was not well because at some point namanje when I read his diaries he was a diary person by now uyabhala most of the things phansi so happens this moment ngangibuya somewhere ngibuya ngimphakela umntwana wachitha ukudla yabo so mekuchitha ngimshaya ezandleni ngabona ecasuka wangadla ngisho ukudla wahamba so I'm thinking to myself khona into wrong mase ngithi ngiyafunda kwi-diary ubhale leyo nto ukuthi ngamphatha kabi ngimkhumbuza his childhood of whereby wayethi menze into noma ngayincane kangakanani ashaywe athethiswe kube njani so I'm just like oh okay
trauma
yeah it was just trauma shoot so bemnakekela kakhulu umntanakhe to a point ukuthi as much as yabo even today mengakhombisa isithombe sabo bafana to a point ukuthi even izenzo zabo like the way he would take a serviette meqeda ukudla asula umntwana same way enza ngayo ubaba wakhe like those little things you check even their physique izitho like they had a bit of like bums nani yabo nje ukuthi their structure was very broad nani yonke leyo nto so they were just to me they were like identical to him it meant reliving his life trying to make sure ukuthi he lives his life through his son ukuthi basically he would say uyisibuko sami ngifuna ukuthi athole yonke lento engayitholanga so he was literally raising a little Musa yena ngokwakhe okay so seshadile kushada kwethu si back in Grahamstown first month ngiphinde futhi ngithola ukuthukwa ke by baby mom phela seyazi ukuthi ngishadile yonke leyo nto leyo athi mengithuka iBP shayile phezulu I miscarried twins mind you ngino 5 months and angazi ukuthi yini enzi miscarriage at 5 months but I miscarried 5 months okay dlule leyo period leyo okay now wait starts mother-in-law or stepmom uyasuka from Durban uyasuka Grahamstown I'm thinking to myself oh wow like what was one othando nangumuntu like it means something to me oh kanti angazi uyafika mind you I've got stitches nomthungo ubuya phela it was twins mele baclean kahle baso angidedanga naturally bangidisha uyafika mengiphuma esibhedlela ngafike ayisibe right sixoxe nje she's okay mind you she's two-faced leyo mama me nawe uyaxoxa uyahleka ku right kwafika ingane zakhe it's a totally different story. She's now a better person. Kushuthi mhlambe she's not supposed to be laughing nami ngabe khona ingane zakhe angazi, but nje she was that type of a person. So sikhulume sibe right, afonelwe indodakazi yakhe le nkosazana. It's mayfona ifoni yakhe ikhuluma kakhulu, so uyamuzwa ukuthi uyakhuluma, uyazama ukuyehlisa but I useyehlise late sengizwile vele. Uthini mebamba ifoni uthi uyahleka ke mind you ushonela ubhuti wakho uma ukhule awubuzi about impilo yalomuntu oyombheka na umtshela nje wena ukuthi ngifanele lengane yakhe edelelayo, usho ubhuti little brother uthi ngifanele yena ngiyambuza ukuthi useyileni kuyobona unkosikazi kabhuti wakhe usho phela the situation ya uyachwenza uthi ke akazani nankosikazi yena kunankosikazi kupho bahleke ifoni uma wakhe abona ukuthi kushuthi ngiyezwa zama ukwehlisa ifoni, and ezama ukwehlisa ifoni sekulate sengizwile but she still rubs it off athi okay so athi indaba unaye yini athi hayi ngizobe ngifonela okay avala ifoni uma wakhe. Ngizwile ngeindlebe zami ngimtshela umyeni wami futhi nakhona angimtshela immediately, ngimtshela after some time ukuthi ayibo has this happen. Okay, at that time my thoughts are okay ngisenkingeni la. That time ekhona imagine uzonakekela mina in everyone's thoughts, but ekseni fanele ngivuke ngihambe ngiyomenzela iparish. Now my room is upstairs, mele ngehle itepisi ngiyomphekela iparish ngimlethele yonke lento le, but I still pushed. There was my little sister usane me khona ebekade ngisiza kakhulu, engihlisa ama steps angikhuphule yabo nje ngisiza ngipheke iparish ngimhambisele ekamereni yonke leyo nto leyo nje. Uvela ubona ukuthi this person ebengazile ukuthi uzobheka in. And then my husband says bekade nginoma ekitchen ahleke, whenever he wants to gossip you just laugh angivalele ekamereni. He says lalela ke kushuthi ushiye imvadu ukugoqile kusinki yabo uyalula kuseyawasha like yambona ukuthi she's trying to act like she's perfect, shuthi nje uyagxeka kwa ukuthi ubeka imvadu kanjalo. I'm just like okay sihleke nje lokho futhi ngingabuli lutho, but you can see ukuthi this hatred is building on and on. Okay, dlule lapho futhi ahambe kabuyele emuva ubhuti little brother akasangeni kwami. Apparently mengabetshela abantu uthi ngamxosha endlini. I don't know how or when because akaza khulume nami, but apparently I used to do things as snacks or whatsoever. Lapho mina yabo mengakuchazela about my husband as a character yakhe, he's all bubbly, welcoming, nice person, but yabo mengabekutshela into ungayenzi methe awuyenzi leyo nto. So even besahlala naye endlini before athuthe engashongo nakhona ethutha besehlale nobhuti wakhe emenzela yonke into, emfonela imisebenzi emenzelana, but the day decide ukuthi uyahamba useyakwazi ukuvumela waphuma wahamba washiya umnyango ewuvulile ekamereni lakhe wangasho ukuthi uyathutha namhlanje. Okay, little brother akasangeni ke vele akasamkhulumisa umyeni wami. It's been 2 years or so manje akasamkhulumisi even, so akakwazi ukuzongena at any point. Abasakhuluma to a point ukuthi emsebenzini komyeni wami they still show ukuthi ubani umfowabo ka Musa cause asimazi. No Musa mexoxa akaxoxi kahle, so asimazi. Okay, fine. Kudlule lapho our life ishona lena yini asikho happy. Yeah, usisa qhubekeke angithuke no baby mama ukhuluma manje with the older sister. Okay, this is where it starts ke ibhom. Uthi usisi mephendula indaba naye usaqhubeka nokungithuka ukuthi ingane vela kuyona kabhuti wakhe. Kusho bani kusho baby mama. So ke me being me ngicasikile nami ngibhale whole passage on Facebook ukuthi it's so funny how baby mama ngimdescribe the baby mama but ngisho ukuthi ubani. And abantu bazokhuluma ngawe nje. I just described the whole narrative between the conversation nabo ukuthi benzani ngami ngegama lami. Ngithi it's so funny how she's pointing ingane ukuthi akuyona yabhuti wakhe iphike yakhe to show because she's been married as well but akatholi ingane but ukwazi ukukhuluma ngengane zomunye umuntu of which was wrong of me because umuntu wesifazane and maybe akazenzelanga ukuthi angatholi ingane but judging from what I think now maybe God is just punishing her for her evilness because wow angimazi umuntu wesifazane onjeyana so ngibhala into ekanjalo ba-attack umyeni wami bamsendela ama-screenshots yey maybe bamsendela ama-screenshots afike kumina ahleke umyeni wami just like uqala impi wena yabona ukuthi wenzeni like sibe naleyo argument at first ukuthi ubungafanele ngabe uphalile on Facebook it was okay for you to come and tell me but hayi ukuthi uyobhala ngithi mina bese ngicaskile nami yabo ngimchazela ukuthi what happened ngimkhombisa evidence futhi ukuthi this is what happened okay kube ukuthi siyidlulisa thina as a family sisendlini kanti ayidlulile khona sifonele ubaba khona kudingeka ukuthi kube nomhlangano bathukiwe on Facebook apparently sebethukiwe bonke manje mind you yedwa umuntu mina ngimbuzile it's the brother kuphela ngimmentionile ukuthi I think I called him an idiot or something ukuthi wawungathatha indaba oyizwe ematshwaleni from your girlfriend uzoyitshela umyeni wami and expect ukuthi sohlukana or something like that like it was rudeness name of my own but nje it was then because I was being faced by all of these things ngaleso sikhathi okay sekufanele ngiyoxolisa my husband says to me lalela ke sise play the game let's play the game uzoxolisa ngibaqoze yazi ukuthi monga ukuthi ngeke until he calms me down after months athi I think you're ready manje conversation is now different so uzokwazi ukuthi uxolise I fall pregnant sakhona lapha esiphithipithini hayi ke ngithole futhi again inhlambe extra kuthiwa ngizala njengephela wara okay ngizibe futhi naleyo ke sengilindele ukuthi ngisiyoxolisa I'm pregnant siye khona for a meeting kufike kuthiwa kuzoba namhlangano baba khona athi ningezi manje for umhlangano because umakoti is pregnant what if aphinda tete njengasekuqaleni tete so okay fine dluleke isikhatshana izalwe ingane they don't call or say anything sebebonile ukuthi khona ingane but ubaba khona because my husband wamfonela washo ukuthi baba ingane isizelwe amqamba igama akaqamba afuna uqamba ingane my daughter ayamqambeke athi uphilizwe athi beloved the moment my husband sees lo beloved ahleke to a point ukuthi he starts crying kithi mina ukhalela ngoba phela kushisa amagama engane wona lawe sasesibhedlela at that time athi ngicika ubaba uthi uphilizwe okay uphilizwe somthatha simsebenzise but as for lo beloved wakwathanda bayihlula ukuthanda mina uzothanda kanjani ingane yami he cries esibhedlela sasekusona PE to a point ukuthi azakhishwa usisi owayesebenza khona unesi wakhona sister unesi uyakhala ke manje nginga understand ukuthi ukhaliswa igama because phela baqambela ngithi okay ke mase buyile angese lifakele la beloved so biza le laphilizwe kuphela and then aqambe yena the daughter athi usiyalo isiyalo sihlukene ka 3 athi 1 wakwangiyala uma like wakwangiya like ungilaya wangishiya nalonkosikazi impilo yami yonke ngiyibona uma kwakufanele ahlale nami that's the first athi explain as well ukuthi even though uma wakhe wazama ukuthi babe ne communication uma lo step mom wathi akafuna ukuthi akhulume naye ukhulumane naye so kwaba lokuthi wake wangilaya uma 2 isiyalo sa gogwakhe uMamtolo there was a grandmother wakhe naye who went through the step mom engamphethe kahle but umusa basically wakhuliswa ugogwakhe because wayechaza ukuthi from iside lakhe ugogo kuphela umuntu obemnakekela so nogogo naye was ill treated was washona ugogo but ke umusa to be who he is he would say ugogo wami ungenze kanjena so isiyalo sagogo wakhe kwakuthi funda musa uphuma uphele la wena nonkosikazi wakho niyohlala kude phesheya kwentaba even if it means because ke wasebenza eFinland ethi noma ngawuhlala lapho phesheya mntana it's fine ungabuyi kodwa uze la so it was like oh okay aqambe lamagama mengabe washo uthu ukuthi like kungiphathe kabuhlungu mechaza ukuthi why uzoqamba ingane yami ngezinto ezinjena kuwena ezipainful kuwena uzombiza kanjani lo muntu every day ukuthi wena kuwena it means so much to you but anyway ngimiyeke senza ama birth certificate engane kube right yonke into Sifike mesehle enzansi. Mind you, now there's my son, Andile, there's uPhilizwe, my daughter. Sehle siye to grandparents' house basically. Sifike kubo. Kuba athi bayamjabulela umntwana lo wentombazane. But still lo mfana is still ill-treated. U-ill-treatwa kanjani izinto uzibona zibe light ezinye. Ingane yazi mayisafunda ukuhamba ingakabi balance kahle wayibambelela odongeni. Ethi ngabambelela odongeni uma wakhona avukula kathi ngcono ngoba abazali bakho bayasebenza bobabili bazothenga upende wakwami bapende ingane idonsa idrawer kuthiwa yey wena uyalidonsela idrawer lazilo draw lo malini yabo nje izinto ezinjalo to a child azathi umusa lalela ke angisathanda ukuthi siyekhaya nezingane ngicela acela uma afonela uma athi ngoba kuzoba amaholiday Andile ngazuye ecrash ngicela ukuthi uzongilandela izingane sacela uma manje uma ekhaya uma ngabe nankinga agebela ibhasi ezolanda ingane ajika ahambe nayo so Andile benokuthi vele avakashe ekhaya ke because ubaba wakhe akasafuna ukuthi aye kubo laphana ethi bahluleke ukuthanda mina bazomthanda kanjani umntanami ngifuna ukumusa khona. Okay, doesn't just end there. Ukuvasha kwethu kuba ngathi ingane bayamukela but manje kusafanele ukukhulunywe iphindaba leya yami yokudelela ku Facebook. Okay, akusashiyo manje ukuthi ngiphendule ukuthi usisi wayethini ngami. Sekuwukuthi nje ngidelelile kuphela. Whereby abantu abanjalo most probably abazi nawe bamebeqala nje ababheka ukuthi ke what made you respond. Okay. Umhlangano ngiwona ke lo olide the first corner of my husband and son's death actually mingabe ngiframe nje kahle. So firstly sifike lo mhlangano kukhulunywe ke hayi ke bayakhuluma ke manje usisomncane yena nje akayime ngale lokuthi selokwafika wena ubhude besisa ko gateway siyokwenza ice skating asayi usisi lo mdala yena athi umusa mina wakwangiboleka imoto yakhe wara as if manje akufanele yena abe nefamily amuve on empilo yakhe kufanele ehlezi ebased nakana nezinto zabo. Okay, naloko futhi bekungangiphathi kabi because I noticed ukuthi with most of the things even with ingane le stepchild my husband would contribute to ingane esend imali like a large sum of money every month but engabhekile ukuthi la lezi ke zikhona ingane zi how far now I have to chip in with those things fanele nginakekele my kids make sure we are eating in this house. Yes, he is paying partly bond and taking care of other things but nje lezi ezibalekile zengane sekufanele kube mina ozenzayo because yena fanele hambise large sum of money to le ngoba uavoid ukuthi kuthiwa akayinakile ingane ngenxa ukuthi useshadile nani. Okay, fine. Ihambi meeting ifike ke ihlala meeting kukhulunywe ke bonke umuntu usho nje iside lakhe like wonke udoda ucabanga yathi to point ukuthi ayikho into engayikhalanga khona ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ayibo like but what made me strong my husband kept on squeezing my hands njalo mengibona ukuthi umoya wami uyaphakama asqueeze izandla zami ithi meeting isizophela ubaba wakhona athi Musa ngicela ukuthi uyokwenza iDNA test ngale ngane uAndile ngoba siyibona ifana namuntu la ekhaya ngizokukhombisa isithombe somyeni wami nengane yami ungitshela ukuthi wena ungabazi ubonani like be honest futhi mongabe usubabhekile asho njalo athena akabona afana namuntu lapho funny part some family members would say the way ngizale ngakhona ngazala umfana ufana no baba wakhona which is ubaba umkhulu kaloko and also intombazane ifana no gogo uMamtolo lo lokho but bona abakubona nakhona my husband says kwakubonakala ukuthi uhlohlo yilo mama ukuthi asho yonke lento ayishoyo whatsoever but anyway wayenganandaba kangako. Kwenzekeni kuthi mekunjalo ngivele ngisukume because akwazi ukungichapha ngenhlambe engaka ngimise ngiqhubeke ngihlale ngisukume ngiye bathroom ngibuye mase ngizothatha isikhwama sami my husband says ngicela uhlale phansi sivalelise sihambe inyembezi zifuna ukuphuma and azilento meyihlele la ufuna ukubemeza ukhale ngathi ngascream hayi ke angithuka ubaba khona ke sho njalo ethi ngana akayiboni athi muso ngizwile mase sekuphelile athi my husband says hayi ngiyakuzwa codami athule Ake kube lokho ukuthi ngazathi kuyavaleliswana, but mina already I'm storming out. Towards egate-ini my husband uyengizwa ukuthi sengiyakhala ke manje akusavumi, ngizama ukufonela uma ngithi ngiyamtshela ukuthi kwenzekeni akuvumi and ngivele ngiscreame and ibolt ususeduze vele like usuyajika lapha ekhoneni ngivele ngiscreame angibambe athi ngikubonile uhluphekile enough like hayi ngiyabaza abantu bashadile but angikwazi lokho. Okugcina yabo ngoba ubuka la ekhaya kokugcina sibhekele manje ungibambe from the back because ngibheke ngapha bengifuna ukubaleka kahle kahle ngimqhelele naye. He says to me, this was the last strike. Ubaba uhlulekile ukungithanda, uhlulekile ukungiprotecta, so this is the last time sila. Now this is 3 months before his death. He says this was the last time sisekhaya until ubaba axolise, and he says mina kufanele ubaba akhiphe inkomo, akhiphe whatever, nami same ukuthi mekuthiwa ingane kuthiwa kuyona eyakhona ekhaya, mekuthiwa ngiyayenza le yadena, he says ubaba fanele angixolise, aqeda apha angixolisela ukuthi ungixhaphe ngenhlamba kwakhe. So that is 2 cows angiwafuna kubaba mokuthi uyaphinde uyangifuna la kwakhe emagcekeni. And I'm just like, cows, what do they have to do with anything? Because inkomo ibaleke ngalutho at this point, like why are you even talking about cows? Athi nje inhlawulo ke yakaZulu leyo. And 2 angiphinde ngize like akugcina bekokugcina, just like okay. Sihambe ngiyakhala, sifike ebhasini ngiyakhala, yonke into nje I think at some point abantu bebhasi babengafuna ngigebele because ngangikhala sengibuvu ngiyaqhaqhazela yonke lento lena. I'm still pissed ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Sibuye sibe right. Kwakhona my little sister again wayesigadela ingane ngaleso sikhathi usane. Afike my husband and Sane were very close. So abizo Sane athi Sane ngiyacela uthatha umfazi wami sanoma ngayikuphi la uzomusa khona amnikeze ikhadi amnikeze yonke into ngomkhiphe restaurant anyway ngicela wenze sure ukuthi akekho la endlini ya detox. Hayi Sane angikhiphe ke siphume sihambe sibuye ebusuku noSane nakhona ugade ingane, and throughout the whole time there's my daughter ngithi my daughter uphetho like kwakhona brother wakho omunye uSanele, but yena my husband uphethe my son the whole time akufuna ukumdedela.
Oh shame.
Mesiyolala normally akabafuna ekamereni and stuff ingane ukuthi sihambe zolala ekamereni la uzojayela ukuthi kulalwa phi. This time ulele naye ufuna ukumlalisa phakathi kwethu, uloke embamba isandla, uloke emqinisa every now and again, and I could sense ukuthi uyakhala because sekumnyama, but ngiloko ngizwe ukuthi hayibo lo muntu anganamkhuhlane, uloke sniffing every 2 seconds udonsa like okay. Hayi ngibona ukuthi okay it's now hurting him. Ngimhlalise phansi ngimbuza ukuthi okay Musa uyazi ukuthi uAndilo wakho? Ethi yes ngiyazi ukuthi ingane yami, but lento abayishilo iyangilimaza because ubaba I had the last hope ukuthi usangashintsha abe right, but usengibulale ngiphila. Athi mina ngifeel izolo. Hayi okay. Siphile sizama ukurecover from that, but uyabona ukuthi ku-tense la endlini. Family yafona ke siyabaxoxela ukuthi kwenzakaleni, siyabatshela. Ubaba uMkhongi naye useshonile unfortunately, usanda kushona. Mengimfonela ngikhuluma naye nomama kwakhe. Athi hayi khona ama message abame ngawo abathi mina ngangixoxa nale yantombazane le yayijola nobhuti wakhe. How? Bathi nje bakuthathela lapho lokho. Bona ukuthi besho lento abebeyisho ukuthi baqede DNA test. Okay. My dad akhulume naye futhi my husband bakhulume kuba ukuthi my husband is like akho DNA test yenziwa la mina ngiyazi ukuthi yami ingane. Hey lapho ngicasukile because mina I'm saying why just not do it and give it to them because kuyilokho okay. Athi mengabe ngiyenza ngizoyenzela ukuthi wena he used to call it unxangifayo. Athi ngiyenzela unxangifayo ukuthi ke mokuthi khona okuhluphayo after that. Okay fine kuba ukuthi siyayenza ngaleso sikhathi, but amaphepha ahlale ngakuyena ngafuna ukunginikeza ngikhombise nje kuphela athi mzukwane kuthiwa sengifile kuye wathola office kuze mina namhlanje akaze ngiwathole. But ke kube naleyo nto leyo. Sidlula isikhathi. He was supposed to go to France for research. He misses his flight. Miss nje flight yakhe. We also received papers papers are now from Magistrate Court wase-Pretoria. Kuthiwa kufuneka isondlo sengane. So it's not enough. Nakhona wenzani lo ntombazane yahamba yasusa ingane esikoleni ebekade ifunda kusona, like bekhokha 2,000 rand khona and stuff, and then mase ethola, let's say 3,000 rand from my husband. So with those contributions wabona ukuthi mancane, fanele manje ahambise ingane esikoleni, private school ebiza kakhulu. So not really that expensive. 6.5 ufuna khokha, yes, ufuna umnyana wamakho 6.5 aphinde futhi contribute lo 3.5 or so, 3,000 or so. My husband says it was after meeting ngalapho athi nje hayike ufike ekugcineni ke sis hambe uyongibopha enkantolo khona kuzoba lula. Ayina ngempela ke kuqeqezele naye, instead of just saying sorry because ingane yakhe would be benefiting more than lento le akayenza manje, athi umuse court claim ukuthi ufuna kushuthi thina as 50% fanele sikhiphe 10,000 ngenyanga to ingane yakhe, naye uzokhipha half, of which my husband ke manje ushone sezonda ingane ukuthi wakwangilaya golide ndini la vele ngazi uzalivela kanjani, ngoba phela kusho you are gold wena mekufanele ukhuliswe ngemali engaka. Yonke leyo nto leyo because mengabe sisiyayicela ingane akafuni naye. Mengabe kufanele kube njani nje, it's all of that ukuthi kune confusion ngayo yonke lento nalingane. And he says to me yabo indlela sengiyinyanya ngayo kwangane kwagama layo ngifisa ukungalizwa at this point, because impilo yami yonke I feel like isimosheka nalabo abasebenzisa lengane na yonke into nje is just okay, what do we do now? Athi sizohamba senkantolo, both our pay slips yonke into, because phela we married in community of property mina now, so hambisa yonke into, pay slips yonke into, we taking it there. Now we are on our way to Grahamstown, or to Joburg from Grahamstown. Jamestown, car accident. And I lose both my husband and son. Ngisala ngiphethe my daughter like this, sandleni. Now, sebe shonile, I'm unconscious ngisesibhedlela. My daughter is safe and sound, akana scratch per se. She's fine.
The accident is
okay. So ngiyavuka esibhedlela. Mengivuka angazi kwenzakalani, because the last thing that I remember is a car coming, we overtake a long truck. My husband is screaming and it happened so fast. Ngivuke sengisesibhedlela. Last words nje ngikhumbula again, he says fuck or something njalo, sorry for my language, but izinto enjalo, and then lights yonke into angibona ngalutho to a point ukuthi angizwanga pain, angazi lutho ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngashayeka ke ekhanda, my cerebellum, I had rib fractures, my spine shifted. That's why bengithi wena ngikwazi ukuphendula intamo anyhow. Ngivuke esibhedlela ngikhonkiwe ngayo yonke indlela, ngibanjwe embedeni ukuthi ngibe stable nganyakaza. Okay? Phaphama kwami, psychologist, social worker uyangena uzongazisa ukuthi kwenzakaleni, because apparently ngathi ngabuza unesi kuqala. So mengabe ezongitshela, she just says, do you know why you're here? Ngithi no. Athi you're in a car accident, you lost your husband and son, and child. I'm not sure which one between the two, but you lost. Like at that time, I'm not sure which between the two. Give me nagokubili kuyafana. Whether I would have lost my daughter, whether I would have lost my son, it's the same thing. They're both my kids. And my husband, and two, vele I think asesengisense uyezwa man mengabe khona into wrong. Yabo mina mengisesibhedlela ngikhumbula ngiyoteta my daughter, even with my son esesibhedlela throughout kuyaphathwa isisi at some point. Bekade sithi mengisesibhedlela my husband beza xosha unesi sometimes kuyakusala uparent oyedwa athi kuzosala mina. Angiphume mina asale ezifu umama yena, like bengafuna ukuhamba esibhedlela. So this time mengiphapha ngibona ukuthi ngisesibhedlela but akekho la It was already saying something to me. Okay. What happens now? Angitshela ukuthi okay, aphuma ayenza phone call abuye athi no, I've just confirmed your son passed and your husband kusele your daughter. Usele I think uthathwa bomndeni. Okay. And amanesi ayakhuluma ke yabo ukuthi ngise ICU vele ngis high care wakhona. So ngiyabe angikwazi ukuphaka ukunyakaza anyway angiboni futhi emehlweni ngaleso sikhathi. So balokhu bayakhuluma abantu bathi hawu shame waze wamncane. Hawu yabo lento le ukuthi hawu wamncane. Oh at the age of 27.
Oh
Athi hawu yabo nje basho ukuthi hayi wazomncane ayisono like umyeni wakhe akasekho kanti khathi kuzodlala ifilimu yangempela yabo lokho ukuthi I've just lost them mina ngizitshela ukuthi iyona into engiyifaceayo cha kusezenkulu kunaloko. My father-in-law no wayefike with my sister-in-law uThumbu lo khona omncane no brother-in-law bayafika esibhedlela. First thing they do they remove a ring. Ngiphuma etheater mina odokotela bayikhipha ngiring. Bona first thing mebefika bakhipha iring. Okay. Ibuya nini ngoba sengiyibuza ngithinta izandla zami ngiza ukuthi ayikho and then a friend of mine brings it because bahamba bayocela kubona baphinde bayibuyise. That's the first thing they do, ba remove a ring mebefika. 2 bafonela medical aid manje ngwe-medical aid yomyeni wami bafona bayasho ukuthi useshonile bacela ukuthi bakhathe yonke into bayi-terminate i-medical aid ngisesibhedlela basho njalo. uJames ke nawo angazi ukuthi kokwenze njani i-medical aid yethu but icikizele kuba ukuthi okunye abasakhona ukuprocessa abasingebe sakukhokhela cause manje and deceased fanele phela ngabe uzokhokha nge-15 elandelayo lo now i-28 zaJuly. But still sebesikhathe off by 4-5 la nga realize khona ukuthi basikhathe off because now my medical bills amanye saya bounce sa authorizewa. Okay fine. But isibhedlela ke Pick n Pay it no it's fine cela ukuthi uhlala no St John it's in East London but no uzohlala until uqede so manager after because vele payment ene there in like entitled basikhokhele leyo ukuthi uadmitwe vele usa under yona medical aid. Okay qhubeke ngise khona lana ngizwe lezi ndaba lezi zinjena bavundulula amapolisi bona sebe yonke indawo asupho Afbob yonke indawo bafuna ukwazi ukuthi ukhave kuphi. Fine ke angikwazi ukuphendula kahle okunye ngakwazi ukuphendula ngisho ukuthi no ka Afbob ukhona Afbob ngathi ngimnini wami ungakhiphi ukuthi kube abantu like bakina ubaba wakho ku Afbob. Isizathu sami kwakuthi ngithi ngizobe ngihleli phansi ecansini ubana zoloke eqeqeye mokuthi ushona before me if it's after me then when uyobona ukuthi ushiya bani after but nje akubo ubaba wakho still fine ashiye yena so ubaba wakho akwazi ukuthi aye through to Afbob asopoli also part of it kwakufanele ukuthi ubrother wakhe
qhubeka kancane
ayikhona so bathi mebebuya to my family bathi I guess sokwazi ukungcwaba uMusa but ayikho imali yokungcwaba uAndile so basaqhubeka ngenhlamba ukuthi akuyena like uAndile. But bakusho in a polite way ukuthi nje ipolice kaMusa elight angeke izikhave ngithi mina it's fine idumbu zami zombili so you are not having it either anibangcwabe bobabili noma nibangcwabe bobabili anikwazi ukuthatha oyedwa nishiyo yedwa. It ends there sesibhedlela. My mom ke ahlanye ke athi no ubaba ngithi akatsheliwe ukuthi ke kahle le ndaba isuka phi yonke bafuna ukumchazela. My mom makes sure ukuthi ubaba uyayizwa indaba because uyachaza ukuthi no what wena ke uAndile noMusa kuseba ngoba basela basekhona bakaqhitshwa akwenziwa ama DNA test manje khona wena uzohlawula lengane because phela umthukile lo muntu lona kahle. Hayi ubaba khona uxolisa futhi ephethe apology athi nje hayi ngenze iphutha ngaphambuka ngiyaxolisa. Mina sengikudlulisile lokho kodwa he's still fighting for izinto kwami sekuyi territory yabo in a way they came to mark their territory basuka bahamba baya to Grahamstown bafike ba nje they very like they didn't even accept my parents ukuthi bafikile bazohlala through this time because they had to be shortly to isibhedlela ukuthi basuke bayongibona every day. Bahleli kambi because bayapheka bathatha amabhodwe ubaba khona no little sister bakhuphuke nawo baya upstairs bayokhiya ekamereni like kushoniwe nina nenza leyo nto leyo abantu balethe izinto our families and stuff bathathe bazikhuphula bazise upstairs bayolokhela khona. Not the issue here. The issue comes whereby fanele proceed with everything sengibambe idumbu they now trying to accommodate ngikhetha amabhokisi balishintshela umntanami bathathe yazi mengithi ibhokisi la tamatisi for my son wangcatshwa ebhokisini la tamatisi literally like lawo 700 rand or 800 rand engane okay kudlulelwe lapho bafuna imali yamapolisi it's doubled. They claimed bona ukuthi abayitholanga leyo mali kodwa ka Asopol bathi bayikhipha leyo mali. Okay? Anginankinga ke nalokho kungcwatshwe contributions from our families members like we're a small community Grahamstown. So we had contributions let's say imali from parts ukuthi ba contribute mhlawumbe like let's say 20k wawusuphumile with AFBOB included with cows included esekhona ehlatshiwe they still claim bona they spent 80,000 oh okay no mose minus lezi imali lezi because ngiyabavezela ukuthi kuthiwa unathola imali engaka ba minus leyo mali kuphinde kuthiwa kuselu 80,000 fanele ukhokhwe yimina to compensate for my husband and son's burial.
Ibambe ngibukele ekhaya isikhathi hlale siphoxa yo but siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngempilo yakho. Engingakusho manje ngikuzoba no part 2 because isikhathi sihlale siphoxa la isikhona istudio 1 hour nje maximum so siyabona ukuthi isaqhubeka sizocela babudlameni mayisebuye ukuthi kube no part 2 ukuze sizoyivala seqede yonke but thank you so much for spending your money your data your time with us. uNkulunkulu makakubusise. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bohleli nomama Dlamini umama oST. Siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu but I feel like singakhuleka.
Yes, please.
Awukwazi ukukhuluma ngento kanje. Ebese singamumema uNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Ngihlala ngithi ke mina ukhona uNkulunkulu ophilayo. Kokho konke umuntu abhekana nakho ekugcineni kwakho konke ukhona uNkulunkulu ophilayo. Ngicela ukukhuleka nawe. Come on. Baba ngegama lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha wenkosi ephakeme wenkosi enamandla uthe uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele uyise wentandane ndoda yabafelokazi Thixo uNkulunkulu baba wethu onamandla wonke awusoze wahluleka uthe uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele kusihonele edondweni lokunqoba baba wethu onamandla wonke nangomntwana wakho uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele thobe moya ongcwele amanxeba uNkulunkulu wethu onamandla wonke umholele odwendweni lokunqoba egameni lika Kristu Jesu waseNazaretha siyathandaza ke uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele namhlanje kuseni baba wethu onamandla wonke impilo yakhe yaziwa nguwe uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele and uyakusithwala uNkulunkulu wethu onamandla wonke siyathandaza namhlanje kuseni egameni lika Kristu Jesu waseNazaretha mupha amandla kukho konke uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele egameni lika Kristu Jesu enkosi Lord we thank you in Jesus mighty name we thank you Jesus.